Hi guys, how's everybody doing? It's been a minute since I've been on here, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I don't think I've ever mentioned it, but I like to read. Right now, the book that I'm getting is the newest one that I've gotten, and it's this one, and it is so cute, you guys. It's a little spicy, but it is so cute. I'm liking the story. And then I did print these out because I'm gonna make my own little books. I had like a trial run, and let me show you. Look at this. Look at how stinking cute. I'm gonna make my own like red library, or like I'm gonna get a bookshelf, a little bookshelf, or a little cart or something. And I made these with cardboard because I didn't have anything else, but I am gonna redo them. So some of these are books that I've already read, and some of them are books that I want to read. So those are going to be in my to be read little jar. So then I could just pick one and read it. But I'm going to cut all of these. I just wanted to cut a little bit on the time lapse there, but I have been watching so many book recommendations that my list is just getting bigger and bigger. I don't know if I'll have time to read them all in this lifetime. I don't know why I'm having a hard time. Oh, there we go, picking that thing up. Alright, here's the last one that I'm cutting. Okay. Oh, my hand. Okay, so... So here's a moment of truth. I cut this. Well, let's start off in the middle. Let's see if it fits. Perfect, you got, well, it's a little wider than I want it, but that is not bad at all. Look at that. I did buy a black one. No, I think I like that. Excellent. So let's start sticking them. Broke it. Oh my gosh, it's so much glue. I am not liking this. Okay. Ah! This is not the best, but that's fine. They're just for me, so I'm okay with it. Oh my goodness. I'll just make sure everything is stuck. Okay, so we have, my glue fell. It's okay, I don't need it. These are all the little books, you guys. These are all the little books. Now I have to cut them. I'm gonna try to cut it as straight as I can with my X-Acto. Ooh, that got stuck. Oh look. Okay, so let's see if I can do this. Oh, it does cut it. That is perfect. Okay, they're not great, but they're okay. Now I have to cut all the other ones. Okay, you guys, I cut them all. My hands are hurting. Here are all the little books. Now, let me tell you, as you can tell probably, I like reading thrillers. That's like my number one. So most of these books are thrillers. I have just a few that are rom-coms, which those are the ones I'm open to. And so far the one I'm reading I like. It's made me laugh, so that's good, because my mental health lately hasn't been that great. I've been struggling, but this has helped me immerse myself, if that's how you say it, into like a different world. I don't know, like it's nice. I like it. So I don't know if you can see them all. Can you see them all? Let me zoom out a little more. Okay, so this is a DNF, which is I did not finish. What other one did I not finish? I haven't finished this one. It Ends With Us, so it's also a DNR. I think that's it. So these are the only two that I haven't finished. Okay, and the ones that I've already read are Behind Every Lie, Sanatorium. Oh, I'm messing these up. All the Twilight books. Where's the other one? There's another one. Oh, The Tenant, which is really good. I really like Freida McFadden's books. I think there's another Freida McFadden in here. Never Lie. I've read this one. I've read this one. Oh no, this is a DNF. I've read this one. This one, The Silent Patient, is not my favorite. I did finish it. The twist is crazy, but I didn't like the ending, so that kind of ruined it for me. That one, let me see, is there anything else? Oh yeah, Girl on the Train, I've already read. This one I'm currently reading. And these are all the ones that I want to read. There's a couple more that I have that I couldn't find the cover for, so I didn't print those out. Like, I have this one on my shelf right now, and I have this one on my shelf right now. And I have this one on my shelf right now. If you've read any of these, let me know what you think. You know, just to make it fun. I know these didn't come out perfect, but that is a-okay. So let's see if they fit. These, I'm gonna get rid of these because they're just little tryouts. And then let's put these in here because these are my to be read. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep adding I have maybe like 4 romance books. Look at that. Oh my god, it's like full. I don't think I'll just get a bigger one. Look at that. This side is better. All right, there's my TBR jar, and I'm super excited. I think I'll finish this one today. I just need to get a little shelf to put all these on, because I've already read them. So this is it, you guys. If you stayed to the end of the video, thank you so much. I know this was a little different. I hope it wasn't too boring. And remember, if you have any book recommendations, please let me know. I like more thrillers, rom-coms, something that's not too spicy. I usually stay away from like paranormal books. But yeah, just let me know. I hope you guys have a great Friday, and I will see you soon. Bye. Oh yeah, let's remember to stay safe and make good financial choices. Bye.